My name's Dale Kootlis. I'm 54 years old. I work for ABS Transport.
I'm driving a Mercedes-Benz truck pulling a road train through the Outback of New South Wales. The length of the truck is 36 metres and overall weight would be 65 to 66 tonne. The country is that vast, so we go anywhere from Perth to Broome to Darwin, anywhere, all over Australia. Wherever the freight goes, we go. The longest trip I've ever done is to Darwin, and that was 3.5 days. And then I have done from Adelaide to Perth, and that was 3 days driving, but I was away for almost 4 months. We just continually taking freight back and forwards.
You've got to have a love for it. You've got to enjoy driving because you're by yourself a lot. You're away from your family, which really takes toll. My name's Terry Warren. I'm 64 and I'm Director of ABS Transport. Our head office is approximately 40 minutes from Melbourne. At the moment we have around the 48 vehicles. We've got depots in Sydney, Brisbane and Adelaide and other sub-branches in all other states as well, including Tasmania. If the jobs are there, we go all over Australia, which can mean up to 4,000 kilometres one way.
We're at Cobar, New South Wales. Probably the last 20 years I've been a truck driver, probably more. Yeah, I like my job. There's different people that you meet on the road, camaraderie. To drive a road train just takes concentration. Weather in Australia is unpredictable. Some days you have a sunny and other days it'll be raining and windy or hail.
Well, if we park out in the bush, we have to be careful because sometimes the snakes, when it's a cool night, the snakes will wrap around our tyres and then draw the heat from the tyres. So when you get out of the truck, you've got to be careful because then we get bitten and we don't go anywhere. The fuel efficiency on my new truck is a lot better than what the old one was. Comfort-wise, it's fantastic. When you do pull up, you're not fatigued, you're not tired. Yeah, I wouldn't change from a long-haul driver to a short-haul driver, no. No, I like just doing what I do.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.